Right, I will show you how to calculate this expression. Before I start showing how to do it, I would like to make sure whether you understand this one or not. Okay? There are 4 skills to deal with this question. First skill is factorizing. If you see 2 times by A plus 2 times by B, you can factorize like this. 2 bracket, and then this divided by 2 is A plus this divided by 2 is B, like this. What about fraction? There's the same numbers here, so I just put same number here, the numbers here, which is 3. Now all you have to do is this divided by 3, which is the top number is 3 divided by 3 is 1, isn't it? Square root 2 plus 1 over square root 5. Second skill is adding fractions. Okay, I will skip the detail about it, but I just show you how to deal with it. Okay, when you've got 1 in the numerator, to figure out answer, you do this times by this, which is 15, and then this times by this, which is 3. So basically you add this one, this times this, 5. So answer is 8 over 15. Okay, so if you look at this one, you can deal with it even if it's variable in the denominator. Okay, so what you have to do is this times this, AB, and then in the numerator you do B plus A. Of course you can write A plus B as well, because 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2 is the same. Right, anyway, so this one is the second skill, and then the third skill is this one, square root. If you do square root same number times square root same number, you can get rid of the square root, which is 3. Square root 7 times square root 7 is 7. Okay, this is the third skill. And then the last one, this is a expanding. Okay, A times by plus B times by A minus B. If you factorize this one, expanding this one times this one, A squared, this one times this one, minus AB, and then this one times this one, plus BA, which is AB, it's the same as AB, and then this one times this one, minus B squared. So you can cancel this one out, right? These two out. The answer is gonna be A squared minus B squared, which means whenever you see the same number left on the left, same number on the right, and then the sign is plus and minus, the answer is always left number squared take away right number squared. So for this one, if you do this, square root 3 squared minus square root 2 squared is our answer. And then remember, squared means same number times same number, isn't it? Right? So square root 3 squared is 3, and then square root 2 squared is 2, so the answer is 1. Then even if you see negative first and then positive second, the result is the same, because this one is one number times one number, isn't it? So this, if you swap around, you get the same answer. So square root 5 squared take away square root 2 squared, which is 5 take away 2, which is 3, like that. Okay, so we're gonna use these skills to deal with this one. I would like to look at these two numbers and these two numbers, and then try to figure out how you factorize these numbers. So first two numbers, you can put 4 in front of the bracket. And then denominator stays the same, right? The numerator, you did this divided by this, so this one is going to be 1. This divided by this, 1, isn't it? Basically, we do the same thing here, right? So the next one is going to be like this, right? And then 1 and 1 on the top. Then next, we need to add the fractions, right? So we're going to use this one. Bottom times bottom, and then this one plus this one on the top. So for this one times this one, and then this one plus this one. Then I just put times in front. Then we are doing the same thing as left one, like this. This one times this one on the bottom, and then this one plus this one on the top. Okay? Then we're focusing on here. Okay? This one is a fourth scale. This one, isn't it? Okay? So you can do this one times this one. The denominator is gonna be like this, right? And the numerator, as you can cancel this one, isn't it? So when you add 2 of 7, square root 7, it's gonna be 2 square root 7. Right. This one as square root 7 squared, take away 2 squared, and then this one as you cancel it out, 2 square root 7. Okay? Then of course this one is 7, this one is 5, this one is 7, and this one is 4. So 4 times by 7 take away 5 is 2, and then 2 square root 7 plus 4 take away 3 as 4 take away 7 take away 4 as 3. It's gonna be like this, right? Then you can cancel this one away. So this part is gonna be 4 square root 7 plus 2 square root 7, which is 6 square root 7.